Now Scorpio-N comes with electronically operated fuel lid opener. So some of you who are used to having a remote lid opener release here or a button there might be surprised that there is nothing here. So now just open the fuel lid. You just have to keep the car in unlocked position and press it here, and there it goes. Now the fuel lid will open only when the car is off or in unlocked state. So now the car's engine is on, and let's lock, and as you can see, this does not open. So all you have to do is make sure the car is off, or you can just unlock the car and it will open.